Okay, hello. Today I'm going to create a Scratch tutorial. Okay? To start off, we have the green flag. Now, we simply get a forever loop, a if-then loop, then go to sensing, get a key space pressed. We hit the arrow by the space, and then we scroll down to right arrow. We put that into the if-then block. We go to motion. Then we get a change X by 10. You hit the right click button on the bottom of the computer. Then you hit duplicate and drop it with the left button on the bottom of your computer. You change it to left arrow. Change this to -10 by pressing it. You duplicate it again, but since we're not doing X position, we're going to do Y position. We keep it at 10 and change this to up arrow. We duplicate this. Since we're duplicating it, it has the Y. Now we change this to -10. And let's see how our character moves with the arrow keys. Okay, now you can see that he moves around. Now we need the cat for something to shoot. So we hit this little guy. We can go to any of these, and I'm going to go to things. I'm going to grab, let's say, the fortune cookies. And since we have a new item, there is no coding, but we still have it in the cat. So in the fortune cookie, we're going to get a green flag. We go to motion. We get a go to X position block and a Y position block. Then we go to sensing. We get a X position of fortune cookie, but we want it to be X position of sprite 1. And we don't want sprite 1 for a cat, so I'm going to hit the I and type in cat. Okay, so we go back to the fortune cookie. We get X position and cat. Let's make sure we put the X position into the X. We get another one. We change it to Y position. Put it to cat. We put it in the Y one. Then we get a hide block. Then we get a forever loop, a if-then block, and a repeat until block. Then we need to go to sensing and get key space press. We need to keep it to space since we already used the arrow keys. We duplicate this. We don't need any of this. We need to go to looks, show, put this in there. In the repeat until block, we need to put touching edge block. So we get the touching mouse pointer, we hit the arrow, make it edge, and we can change it to any number, but I'm going to do 30. it's going to be in the move, changing it to 30. I'm going to put it in the repeat until block. And then we need another go to X position of cat, Y position of cat, and hide. Uh-oh, I accidentally erased the hide. I put that in the bottom, and let's see what works. I'm going to hit the full screen, and let's do this. Woo, our cat's has fortune cookies coming out of him. Gonna hit the low screen, and then we need to start making the enemies. I'm sorry if we already said this, but we need to get the enemies. Let's use a bat. You can choose any one if you want, but I'm going to choose the bat. You double click it to bring it out. And then we need to bring out a green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, a forever loop, and a go to block. We need to make sure he's on the top, so we're going to use a pick random. Let's make him go. Let's make it X position of -205. -205. And uh-oh. $2.16. Let's put that in the X. And we want him to have a Y of 116. And then we need to get a pick random block. Let's make, we need to duplicate it. We want it to have the same X, but let's make the Y -187. And let's make him fly twice because we don't want him to be too fast. And let's see how it works. It's looking good. And now we need him to go down once he touches the fortune cookies. So we're going to do, when green flag is clicked, forever if touching fortune cookie, then hide. So let's see how it works. Okay. Now that we can destroy the bats, we need to make a score. So we go to data, make a variable, and let's type in score. Okay. And set score to 0 on under green flag clicked. Let's change it by 1 once you hit a bat, and let's see what happens. Uh-oh, it looks like they're not showing up. Okay, let's worry about that later. So let's duplicate the bats so they're harder to defeat. Now let's see what happens. Yep, that's much harder. Okay, now I think I know how to fix our little problem. We need to get 1 second and show. We get it with the other bat. Let's see if it works. Perfect. So we need to get a background. Let's use the blue sky. Okay, that looks pretty cool. And I almost forgot. If a bat touches you, we need to stop all. So let's do when green flag is clicked, forever, if then, touching cat, stop all. And let's put that with bat 3. Okay, good, he has it. Let's see if this fun game works. Okay, so we know the stop all works. Okay, so it looks like it works. Let's make it easier and make the bats a little bit smaller. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Looks like this works. Thanks for watching.